In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft To Do with Outlook tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how the connection works, where to see your tasks in Outlook, and how to make sure everything shows up the way it should. First, let's clear up how syncing actually works. Microsoft To Do and Outlook tasks stay in step automatically as long as you're signed in with the same Microsoft account in both places, whether that's on the desktop app, the web, or your phone. Behind the scenes, all your tasks live on Microsoft's Exchange Online servers. That means when you add, edit, or complete a task in one app, it's mirrored in the other without you needing to manually refresh or switch anything on. A common stumbling block is using different accounts. If you're signed into To Do with a personal account, but Outlook with a work account, those tasks won't meet in the middle. They're kept separate on purpose. To keep things seamless, make sure both Microsoft To Do and Outlook are using the exact same email address. Now, where do your tasks appear in Outlook? On the web, head to Outlook.com and open the Tasks or To Do module. That's where you'll see everything from Microsoft To Do, and anything you create there will sync back as well. In the Outlook desktop app on Windows or Mac, look for Tasks in the navigation area. Sometimes it's visible as an icon, and other times you'll find it under the three dots. If you're signed into the same account, your to-do items will be right there, and changes in either place will stay aligned. If something seems out of sync, there's one key thing to verify: your accounts. In Microsoft To Do, open your profile and confirm you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. Then, in Outlook, go to File, choose Account Settings, and make sure that same account is added and set as active. If you spot a mismatch, remove the extra account and sign in with the one you use for To Do. Once both apps match, syncing should resume automatically. Give it a moment to catch up after any sign-in changes, especially if you've just switched accounts or moved between networks. That's all there is to it. Use the same Microsoft account, know where tasks live in Outlook on the web and on the desktop, and double-check your account settings if anything looks off. With those pieces in place, your tasks will stay in sync across To Do and Outlook with no extra effort.